The universe is about to give you your specific person. But first, here are 5 tests that the universe will give you before bringing you your specific person. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can absolutely do for your life, the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness you depend on. Visit us here at lawofattractionsolutions.com. And when you visit lawofattractionsolutions.com, be sure and get your free audio program, and there's a free ebook. There's all kinds of other resources for you. lawofattractionsolutions.com. Well, you know, the universe speaks to us, and it's always giving us signs. And the universe has 5 signs that it's about to bring to you your specific person, but it's testing you. So these aren't really, well, they're signs, but they're also tests. They're 5 tests that you may be given before you receive your specific person. But when you get these tests, when they show up in your life, you'll know that they're signs as well, that they're good signs, that they mean things are about to happen in your life between you and the one that you love. Now, first, before we go further, the universe always says yes. People say, well, Robert, what if the universe says no? No, the universe says yes. It's your intention and it's your belief that determine what you manifest. But the universe is always there to support you, always there to give you what you desire. But sometimes people desire fear. Oh, not consciously, but that's what they're putting out. They're putting out fear vibrations. They're putting out doubt vibrations. And so that's what they're attracting back. But the universe always says yes. So if you're putting out vibrations that say, I am in a deep, loving, committed relationship with my specific person, and I believe it, and I live it totally and completely, that's what you will attract. The universe wants to prepare you for your specific person. It wants to get you ready so that this relationship doesn't just come together and fall apart. It comes together and it stays together. So are you ready? I guess you are. Here are the 5 tests that the universe will give you. Because the universe vibrates, everything vibrates, everything is frequency, there is a natural push-pull to bringing your relationship closer to you. One day you may say, wow, Robert, everything was going great. Everything was moving in the right direction. And the next day you might say, I don't know what happened. You know, we were talking and now we're not talking. I'm being ghosted again. I'm not receiving any phone calls. Things just don't feel right between us. In other words, everything seems to be going well and then not going so well. This is a huge test, and the universe is testing your resilience, your ability to stay positive, your ability to take on a sense of absolute certainty that the relationship that you desire, you are manifesting, you already have. And when you have that sense of certainty, then the push-pull between the universe and your specific person, it'll stop. It will end. Well, number 2 is you begin to receive what you desire. Your specific person is giving you more attention. They're spending more time with you. They're being more attentive to your needs. But for some reason, you just can't get yourself to trust it. And that's a sign, and that's a test. Let me give you an example. I had one client for 333 days. She's been waiting for an apology. Her boyfriend emotionally hurt her very badly. And after 333 days, interesting number, by the way, he called her and said, "Can we meet for a cup of coffee?" At that cup of coffee, he realized and he told her that he was sorry. "I'm deeply sorry. I've hurt you. I've let you down. You didn't deserve the way you were treated by me." But she didn't trust it. So what I will tell you, high flyers, is trust yourself completely. Be so strong and so certain in yourself that you don't need to trust the situation. You don't need to trust the 3D. You can accept it for what it is because you trust the alignment and the beliefs that you have within you. That's the key. That's the secret. Remember, she wanted the apology. She got the apology. What she needs to remember now is the universe always says yes. Well, test number 3 is the universe gives you something small to see how you deal with it, to see how you manage it. Maybe you start getting more letters or more text messages. Maybe your phone calls or your text messages or your Zooms may be longer and a little bit more in depth. Maybe you start getting together. There are little steps. So what I tell people is when you are attracting your specific person, it's important to manifest the wish fulfilled with your visualization. But it's also important to take things one step at a time, one day. Don't futurize. Okay, you've already created it with your visualization. Now, stay in the moment, stay present. And how do you do that? You breathe. You stay present. You stop futurizing. You stop wondering what's going to happen. You slow your mind down through breath work. And the universe gives you something small. Things go good at a small level. So the universe gives you something bigger. And then bigger. And then bigger. And more and more and more. And that's a good thing. Well, number 4 is your friends, your family, your haters. They start giving you advice that you are doing everything wrong. Don't you know you need to give him up or give her up? She's no good for you. You can do better than her. You can do better than him. People tell you you're making a big mistake. The more they tell you, this is a test from the universe. The more they tell you that you cannot have a deep, committed, loving relationship with your specific person, the more you need to be certain that you already have one, that it already exists, and that you are simply bringing it into the 3D. You need to believe it, know it, feel it, live it. Well, test number 5 is you start to feel unstoppable. Like anything you desire when it comes to your specific person is about to happen. And things start to get better and you feel better and things start to flow and you get more text messages, more attention, more love. And then you start doubting yourself. What could go wrong? Something's going to go wrong. You've given up the feeling of being unstoppable. The universe has given you this beautiful feeling of being unstoppable. You need to hang on to it. No matter what you see, what goes on in the 3D, it doesn't make a difference. You are unstoppable. Stay unstoppable, even when you feel loss, even when you feel a sense of hopelessness. Remain unstoppable. One of the things that you can do to help yourself become more unstoppable than ever before is take control of your mind. And that's why I created miraclehypnosisonline.com. Now, as a master hypnotherapist, as the creator of Miracle Hypnosis, I wanted to help people feel unstoppable and manifest what they desire. So you can try it 3 days, absolutely free, by visiting miraclehypnosisonline.com. Check it out. It'll make a difference in your life. Okay, this next video, speaking of differences, will really, really make a difference in your life.